All right, happy Wednesday, boys and girls. So, for reading today, we have lots of learning to do. Let's go over our learning targets today. I can segment sounds to make words. I can chain words with the E sound. Yes, our new sound, our double E sound. I can identify tricky words. We're going to be learning some new tricky words today. He, she, and we. And our last target for the day is I can read text and answer questions. So we're going to be reading a new story today. Let's get started. We're going to start with our warm up. We're going to practice segmenting 2-syllable words. Remember that we're going to use our thumb first. We're going to tap our thumb to begin. And then when we get to the second syllable, we're going to go back to our thumb. Let's start with weekday. Here we go. Weekday. W, E, K, D, A. Weekday. So when we said week, day was the second syllable. You should have gone back to your thumb to tap. All right, let's go to the next one. Backyard. B, A, K, Y, R, D. Backyard. Very good. 14. Or t, e, n, 14. Landfill, l, a, n, d, f, I, o, landfill. Very good. I'm very proud of you. Make sure when you segment, you're saying each sound in the order that you hear them. Mailman, a, o, a, n, mailman. Lifeguard, l, I, f, g, r, d, lifeguard. Ooh, keep going. Good job. Lipstick, l, it, p, s, t, it, k, lipstick. Very good. And our last one is the word greenhouse. Let's break up that blending cluster. Greenhouse. G, R, E, N, H, ow, S. Greenhouse. Very good job segmenting and saying each sound that you heard in your 2-syllable words today. Now we're going to go to our tricky word review. Yes, we're going to go over all of our tricky words. Let's say them together. We're going to read across, and here we go. When, word, why, to, say, which, I, know, once, said, where, are, were, here, there, was, one, from, of, all, the, a, he, she, we. Now later, what would be a really fun game would be you could pull this up and your mommy or daddy or adult could call out a word and you could try to touch the one that they call out and play a little game like that with it. All right, we're going to move on to our game, What's That Sound? We're going to review our diagraph. So we can play this game 2 ways. Miss Naki is going to say a sound. You can either touch the diagraph that you think makes that sound, or if you have a little board, a little dry erase board or paper, you can write down the one that you think matches the sound that I'm making. All right, Miss Nakian's going to get my pen ready, and we're ready to play our game. Here we go. Ooh, diagraph and also our double letters. Let's see if you can find that sound. Ready? Ng. As in ring. Did you find it? Oh, I can't wait to see if you found it. I bet you did. Very good, our ending digraph. Okay, next sound. Listen closely. What's that sound? Shh, shh, as in shoe, as in wish. Did you find it? Very good. Shh. Okay, here we go. What's that sound? Ch, ch, as in cheese, as in witch. You got it. Very good. That's our CH digraph. Okay, let's keep playing. Qu, qu. Did you find it? Yes. Here is our QU digraph that makes our qu, as in queen, as in quilt. Ooh, here we go. 2 more sounds. Ooh, this one's tricky. V. Or yes, very good. That's our TH digraph. It can make a buzzy V, as in this, or a quiet Th, as in think. And our last sound, I'm going to see if you can make that sound. Very good. That's our letter team CK. K. One sound. K. We usually see this at the end of a word, as in lock, as in pick. Ooh, that was a very fun game. All right, now we're going to have some fun. We're going to play a magic game. Yes, that's right, a magic game. You're going to help Miss Nakan change a word. We're going to be using our EE, our double E sound that we know makes the sound say E. That's right, E. Very good. So we're going to read the word just like we see it. And when I say alakazam, we're going to add our EE in the middle and it's going to give us a new word. Are you ready to play the magic game? Here we go. So first we're going to blend. St. Yeah, let me hear that blend. St. Ep. Step. That is the word step. Here we go. Alakazam. Poof. We're going to change that word. Are you ready to help Miss Nakan change it? We're going to keep our st. We're going to add our our E, and we're going to add our p. Now the word is not step. Oh no, we changed it. Let's read it. Steep, steep. Ooh, very good. Step changed to steep. Great reading. Awesome job. When you're climbing up a very high mountain or a path and you really have to work your legs, it's high, you say it's steep. Okay, next word. Let's read it. N. 10. You ready for the magic? Here we go. Alakazam. Poof. Let's change that word. We're going to change that eh to our E. Yes, look at that word. Now it's the word teen. Teen. Ooh, like our teen numbers. Yes, like our 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, our teen numbers, like a teenager. Okay, next word. Let's read it. Et. Met. That has a short met. You ready? Alakazam. Poof. Let's change the word. We're going to add our E. Okay, now it's not the word et. No, there's not e anymore. There's our E. Eat. Meet. Very good. Like, I will meet my dad at the restaurant. You're going to meet someone. Okay, next word. Ed. Fed. Alakazam, poof. Let's change that word. We're going to add our E sound. And let's get ready to blend it now. Feed, feed. Ooh, that's the word feed. I need to go feed my dog. You need to give your animal food. Okay, last one. Are you ready? Here we go. Ed, red. Alakazam, poof. We're going to change that word. We're going to add our our E. And now our word is not red. No, let's read it. Eed, read. Very good. I am so proud of you. You did such a great job chaining and reading what Miss Nakan today. Yes, a read, this type of read is not like you read a book though. A reed as in a long piece of grass, a reed. What a great job you did reading. That was lots of hard work. Okay, so now we're going to read some new tricky words today. We had them in our chart earlier. All of these tricky words have our E at the end. It's a long E. It's not double E's, but you still hear the E sound. So we have the word he, we, and she. Good, all of our new tricky words rhyme because they all have that same sound at the end, the E. He, we, she. We're going to be practicing these tricky words in the next few days. Now we do have a new story that I'm so excited to read today. Our new story that we're going to read is called Red Ants. Look at all the E words you're going to see in your story today. Yes, those double E words. We have the word lee. Remember that was Scott's sheep. Lee, sheep, week, feet, weeds, free, feel, sweet, and sweep. This kind of how do you feel means how do you feel? Are you feeling good? Are you feeling bad? How do you feel? Now, we are going to, on the next video, we're going to read the story and we're going to be talking about some vocabulary words that we're going to be seeing as we read our story today, Red Ants. So Miss Nakan will see you very soon on our next video so we can read the story Red Ants together.